Actually, I should probably, yeah, get from version control. Then we'll click on GitHub, and that'll pull up my repos. And then I can just go ahead and pick Kuro, go sample. There we go. 9cat gets to working. And there is our repo. I don't care about Node.js right now. Thanks, though. There we go. Let's go ahead and create a Go file. And just for good measure, print line test. Examine what I've just grabbed. So we have HTTP, which will pop up. There it goes. Pulls in the dependencies. FMT is for the printf. Net HTTP is for the actual library around HTTP functionality within Go. The HTTP.handleFunc allows you to handle the request and response from HTTP. As you can see here, this is handling the root of the URI path. Then we have, let's see, what is this? Anonymous function that handles a response writer and a response request. And then within that function, we have welcome to my website. That's what it prints out. Okay. And then I guess they're handling some static content, which I'm not even going to worry about that. File server, and then just do this. So let's change this to 8080. We'll just run the. Let's pop this back up. Localhost 8080. Welcome to my website. All right, so we have something. But anyway, bounce back into the Go code. Let's see here. Handle func. Let's make this a separate thing though. Func handle, or let's call it root handler. All right, and we're going to have the HTTP response writer, and then we're going to have a pointer to the request that's coming in, like this. All right, and then in here we can perform various things on the writer and request. So in this particular situation, we're going to do format. It's here F, format print, format. We'll do with, let's go with line. Up above was the format. Oh yeah, so we want to do the writer here, and then just this is my content, to be more specific how that one would work. So otherwise the format, the fprint ln would do the same thing as print line, standard print line would do. This of course does it into an IO reader, which the writer is of IO reader type. So then let's see, what else do we got in here? So we can put in the writer, and in here I'm going to say r.body, just to see what the request body is. I don't think it's anything, technically speaking, if we're just in a browser doing that. But let's see what else we got. We got header? Yeah, header. Okay, let's see what's in that. This is my content, response writer, da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay, let's see what happens there. Oh, wait, whoops. We need to take this out, though. And take out the function, and then put in root handler. Like this. So note, you can put just the name of the function. You don't need to put much else, because the handler func should handle it, I believe, based on how I've seen Go's HTTP handler working in the past. All right, so that's running. There we go. So that's my content, which is that first bit here, this line. Then the second one is the header, and the second one is the body. So let's look at that. The header is a map of, there's the accept type, text HTML, application XHTML plus XML, application XML Q9 image, accept encoding, accept language, cache control. Okay, so those are my header values. Then my connection is keep alive, upgrade, insecure request, user agent, blah, 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 blah. And then, oh, that's part of the header too. And then finally, the body, which is empty, coming into the request like that. Now let's say I use Postman to make a request. Let me pull up a thing over here. And we're just gonna do localhost 8080. There we go, that's what we expected. But let's add something to our body. So there's our header. Let's add a new thing. Rando header key, some rando value. And then the description, just to see what we get there. And then in the body, let's add, what should we add here? Let's do raw. Form data, raw, binary, GraphQL. Let's go with raw. This is the contents I am sending in via body. Now I'm leaving it on the GET request. And let's see what that does. Oh, that's interesting. False, true, false, 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 nil, nil. This is my content. So this is the stuff that's in the body. So let's go back over here and actually see about what we can do with that, because that's junky. Let's do read. Can I do that? I wonder if, oh no, that's not it. It's IO read closer. Let's see what get body does. Is get body gonna, is a single value context, multiple value get body in a single value context. Okay, well let's do, oh, let's do this. Let's do for key value in range of r.getBody. I think I could do that. Oops. Let's go with value. Oh, yeah, that's not gonna work. Read closer error. The body is, oh, I don't really want to, we can do this then. So string, oh wait, var the body string. Okay, then we're gonna make the body equal r.body. Like that. Oh, that looks like it worked. Go over to Postman. Let's check that out. So I'm going to send that in. Ah, there it is. Okay, so that the IO util will work to parse out the body. So here's a good example of handling the request body. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do another handler. Func root handler. Let's see here. Let's do response handler. Let's see, example. Request. Okay, so format dot. So W, that's going to be our writer. And then let's do W dot write header. Oh, let's write header 200, status code 200, right? Oh, I should probably do this before. Yeah, let's do this. And then, let's say format, blah, blah, blah. Then testing status code. Manually added a 200 status OK. Another line. Let's see, format F, print. What else we got? We got write, byte. So the format.f print line is writing it into the IO writer of W, which is the response writer for the HTTP response. So then, I wonder what happens if I do a header. Yeah, I don't actually know. Let's just see what this is. So the other thing I need to do here is http.handle func, and then we'll go with response, and go with response example handler. There we go. Let's run that sucker. Then get back out to Postman and just do this. And then let's go with response. Another line, cool. So, and then in here though, cookies, no, headers, yep. We have key, content type, blah, 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 content like 67, test results. Oh, I wonder where you can see hey. Oh, I wonder about that. What was my... Oh, there's my rando header in that, from that I did just a minute ago. But I'm doing response now, not response, response. And when I run that, so it does both lines. Manually added a 200 OK. But where is... Oh, that's nice. Raw, pretty, raw. There we go. And then test results, no. Headers. Oh, there's the status right there. That's what I was looking for. Okay, so let's change that. Let's do another one. Error response handler. And then let's make this a 500, which is a server error. Server error. Okay. Oh, gotta add it. Let's go up here. And then add http.handle func error example. There we go. So here, error example. 500 internal server error, yes. Okay, that is what we want. Given when no more specific message is suitable. And then body is server error, which what's my message, right? Server error, yeah. Perfect, okay. That's good. So let's get that committed. A simple example of manipulating the status code and also getting the basic elements of an HTTP server running using Go.